Hi there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. So, let's jump right into today's question. What is an estate sale and should I have one? The traditional definition of an estate sale is an organized event to sell or auction personal property owned by a deceased individual or an individual that must make a move. An estate liquidation is similar to the estate sale, but can include additional property like stocks, bonds, jewelry, etc. The estate sale is usually facilitated by a professional. This individual will organize the event, provide advertising, and assistance in determining pricing structure. The cost for this service can either be a percentage of the sale or a fixed charge. In addition, depending on the company, they may drop the price for items for every day that they do not sell the items. The company needs to make a profit after the advertising costs, time spent organizing, preparing, and selling your items. So even if they do end up selling stuff, depending on the size of the sale, you may not have much money left after you pay for their services. For someone who needs to get rid of items and does not have the time, support, or resources to do so, this may still be a good option for you, as opposed to just donating or trashing everything. Keep in mind that all items for sale are usually located within the house. The professional handling this event will determine the process for entry, many times assigning numbers based on arrival. This helps to minimize the amount of people in the home. A common spin-off of the estate sale is the commonly known garage sale. This is an informal selling process that is normally handled by the owner. Items for sale are arranged outside or in the garage area for people to look at and purchase. There is no additional expense for the owner, but it is recommended that you verify local laws regarding permits and postings of signs when hosting your own garage sale. So, what works for you personally? If you have the time and interest, a garage sale might be a fun way to spend a weekend. If time is short and you have many large items, having a professional handle an estate sale might be the way to go. The main issue or concern is that it can be hard to find a professional estate sale company that will sell items before you move out. We call this a pre-moving estate sale. Most companies want to sell the entire home, and they don't want you to be there. That is why having access to a network of professionals who can provide you with options, resources, and support is going to be essential for you to have as you begin the downsizing process. So whether you decide that a garage sale or an estate sale or an estate liquidation is right for you, it's a totally personal choice. But at least you now know what it is, how it works, and the differences between them. As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, or you might want to downsize, give me a call today and set up a consultation as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. In addition, I work with a variety of contractors who can help with things like decluttering, estate sales, paint, carpet, handyman work, moving, and more. Plus, if I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel today and tune in to next week's question, 5 techniques to make downsizing more manageable. You can also check out my other series on relocation, selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.